This topic is still for grade 10 students. So in this topic, we're going to find common difference D with the sum, or where the sum is given. The sum here is given, the first term is also given, and the number of terms n is also given. So from this example, what is common difference D if the sum of the first 11 terms of an arithmetic series is 275 and its first term is equal to negative 10? So we're going to write first all the given so that we can have an easier way in solving the problem. So we're going to write all the given. So from the problem, the sum of the arithmetic sequence is given, that is equals to 275, and the first term is also given, a sub 1 is equal to negative 10. And then from the statement of the problem, it is understood that the number of terms is equal to 11, because from the statement, what is D if the sum of the first 11 terms? So therefore n equals to 11, and what is being required here is the common difference D. So we're going to solve common difference D. So from the formula, S sub n, or sum of the arithmetic sequence, is equals to n over 2, that is multiplied to 2 times the first term plus, open parenthesis, n minus 1, close parenthesis, multiplied to common difference D, and we have to put bar here. So substituting all the given, our sum of the arithmetic sequence or series is 275. That is equals to, our n is given, that is 11 over 2. Then 2 times the first term here is negative 10, so we are going to substitute that, plus number of terms n is given, that is 11 minus 1, and multiplied to common difference D. So 275 is equals to 11 over 2. 2 times negative 10 is negative 20, plus 11 minus 1 is 10, multiplied to common difference D, that will give us 10D. Okay, so we're going to distribute here. 275 equals to distributing, and then we're going to cross multiply 2 with 275, so we're going to multiply this by 2, and then we're going to distribute 11 to negative 20, or we're going to multiply 11 to negative 20, and that will give us 220, negative 220, plus we're going to distribute 11 times 11 times 10, that will give us 110D. Okay, so 2 times 275, that will give us 550. So that is 550 is equals to negative 220 plus 110D. And then transposing negative 220 to the left side, it becomes positive. So that is 550 plus 220 is equals to 110D. So adding 550 and 220, that will give us 770 is equals to 110D. Dividing both sides by the coefficient of D, dividing both sides by the coefficient of D, which is 110. So 110 will be cancelled out. So the value of the common difference D is equals to 770 divided by 110, and that will give us common difference D is equals to 7. So I hope you understand my explanation well, so that you can solve related problems about arithmetic series.